Today we will show you how to enable vertical tabs in Google Chrome. You may have noticed that Chrome tabs appear across the top of the browser by default. If you would like to move them to a side, first go to the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots icon, then scroll down and select Settings. Now look at the address bar where it says Chrome Settings. Delete the word Settings, type flags instead so it becomes Chrome flags and press enter. Next, click the search flags of box at the top and type vertical. You will see the vertical tabs flag in the search result. Click the default drop down menu next to it and select enable. Now click the relaunch button in the bottom right corner of the Chrome. This will close and restart the browser. Once Chrome reopens, right click on any tab or the empty tab space beside the tab. You will see an option called show tabs vertically. Click it and your tabs will move to the left side of the browser, giving you more space at the top. From now on, all of your tabs will appear on the left side. You can also collapse the sidebar to make it more compact. That's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.